In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove theme from Google Chrome. If your browser has a theme that changes the colors, the tab bar, or the new tab background, and you want to get back to Chrome's original look, this quick walkthrough will reset everything to the default without touching your bookmarks, history, or extensions. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. Click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. This menu houses most of Chrome's settings and tools, and it's the quickest way to reach the appearance options we need. From that menu, choose More Tools. This expands a set of additional controls. Depending on your version of Chrome, the wording can vary slightly, but you're in the right place when you see items related to browsing tools and customization. The goal is to move into the area that lets us adjust how Chrome looks. Next, click Customize Theme. This opens Chrome's theme controls. You might see it labeled similarly like Customize Theme or something along those lines, especially if you're on a new tab page where Chrome offers appearance options. The key is that this section manages colors, background images, and any theme you've previously installed. Inside this panel, click Change Theme. This takes you to the Theme Selection view, where Chrome lists available themes and, importantly, the option to undo your current one. If you're currently using a theme from the Chrome Web Store, this is where Chrome gives you the ability to switch away from it. Finally, select Default Theme. The moment you choose the default, Chrome removes the custom theme and restores the original appearance. Tabs, the toolbar, and the new tab page background will revert to the standard look. There's no need to restart the browser. The change applies immediately. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the exact labels mentioned, look for similarly named options. Chrome occasionally updates wording, but the path remains essentially the same. If your settings sync is on, the default theme should carry across your signed-in devices using the same account. And remember, returning to the default won't remove extensions or change your homepage. It strictly resets the visual theme. To recap, you open the Chrome menu, head to More Tools, go into Customize Theme, choose Change Theme, and then pick Default Theme. That's all it takes to remove a theme and restore the classic Chrome look. If this helped, you're now back to a clean, distraction-free browser.